My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles contested estates in Texas. In my practice of handling contested estates, for nearly 20 years, I've assisted many people in protecting their interest in estates and recovering millions of dollars. And that's often from referrals or from people calling me on the internet or seeing me in these videos. But sometimes people call me and there's really nothing I can do, or that they don't have a situation that I can help. And a common one that I see is someone will call and say, Mr. Young, I need help recovering my inheritance. Okay. Inheritance from who? Well, I don't really know, but I think there's inheritance out there for me. Well, there's really nothing I can do with that. Or my father died 15, 20 years ago, and I was at a barbecue with the family, 6 months ago, and a cousin told me that my daddy left money for me. Well, there's not a whole lot that can be done in that situation either. And sometimes people will call with extremely complex scenarios of oil and gas interests and money in accounts and various properties, but they really have no concept of, okay, was there a will probated? When were the deeds done? How were the oil and gas interests passed down? They don't really know. And in those situations, if you're going to contact a probate litigation lawyer like me, you really need to have much more information. Hey, my mother died 6 months ago. They're trying to probate a bad will. Or my brother's trying to take over a bunch of property and there needs to be a will probated, or there needs to be an heirship determination. And sometimes you may just need to hire a private detective to try to trace assets, or a landman to trace mineral interests that you believe you're entitled to, but that go back several generations. In those situations, it's really important to figure out the facts, what's going on. So you can call a probate litigation lawyer and like me and say, Mr. Young, here's the deal. There's a bad will. Or I have a will that I believe is good and somebody's contesting it. Or they changed the life insurance beneficiary designation of my father in the last days of his life when he was dying of cancer. Those are the kind of things that I can help you with. But I really can't help with somebody told me that my grandfather left me money and he died in 1987. I hope this video has helped you understand a little bit what a probate litigation lawyer can do and what we really can't do.